Is it flu season or change of season and you're worried about your immune system? This next point will definitely help you with that.
Hi, I'm Kelly with Body Health Mechanics. Welcome to the channel. I am a registered massage therapist in Ontario, Canada. My goal for this channel is to help you become your own mechanic. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you like the content, feel free to subscribe. It really helps us grow. Today we're going to be talking about acupressure points, what they are, why they're beneficial, and how you can do them on yourself at home. We also have with us today, welcome back to the channel, this is Nadine, who is a registered acupuncturist, who is going to explain all the answers to these questions. Happy to be here.
Hi, my name is Nadine Aiden, and I'm a registered acupuncturist in Ontario, Canada. And today we're going to be talking about acupressure and the difference between acupuncture and acupressure and different points that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Acupuncture and acupressure are both very similar as they have a very similar goal in order to help stimulate the body's chi and energy with certain points. But they are very different in terms of how they do that. So acupressure stimulates and or activates certain points by using a finger or more commonly used the thumb to really activate those points with pressure. As opposed to acupuncture is the same activation of those certain points, but using a very thin needle in order to be more precise and to activate it in a deeper level. Acupressure is a great alternative as you can stimulate and activate these points from the comfort of your own home and still receive the same care and benefits. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically go through some very common points with you that are very easily accessible for acupressure. I'm going to show you where they're located, how to activate them, and what are they good for. So stay tuned. Okay, so the next point we're going to be talking about here is large intestine 4. So this point has many benefits, as it is a really common one. But one of the main ones that acupressure is used for with this point is the immune system boost. So, where it's located, the top of your hand, you're going to, it's right in between your thumb and your index finger. So, what you're going to do is kind of find that just in there, and slide all the way back until you hit that back of the bone, and right in there is that tender spot. So this point is very sensitive, with or without the needle. So when you know you want to stop that pressure is when the pain or sensation kind of dissipates, or when you will feel that pulse as well.
I hope these points have helped you on your journey to becoming your own mechanic. Thank you for joining us.
And thank you for having me. And these are just some of the few points out of over 300 points all over our body that have these benefits. And if you have any questions about how acupuncture or acupressure can help you, just drop a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video.
See you there.